Hi and welcome to Chef's Review Q&A. Today I want to present to you a grill from Royal Catering and answer some of the questions I found on the internet. So first things first, let's get over some technical data. This is a 60 centimeter grill. It means it has 6 centimeters across. It is a flat top. It works with 2 times 3.2 kilowatts of power, which means each side of the grill is individually powered, which means you have 2 plugs, which is great because 30 to 100 watts, it's a bit much for one circuit. So usually circuits are made for 3.5 kilowatts of power, so you have to remember to put each plug in a different circuit in order not to trip the safety. As you can see it's a stainless steel construction, and well, it is electric, as I said. So let me just go to the questions. So first thing, one of the most frequently asked questions is about the used materials. As I mentioned, it's stainless steel all over, but the heating plate is made of stainless steel high carbon alloy, which means it combines features of both stainless steel and high carbon steel. So what that means, basically the stainless steel bit makes sure it is scratch resistant and it's very sturdy. It will look good for a long time. It is quite thick. It has 12 millimeters of thickness, and the high carbon content makes sure it distributes and accumulates heat really well. If you work with a cast iron grill pan or a kettle, you know that once you heat it up, it will keep this temperature for a very long time, and it distributes it really well. So like for example the soup kettles you place in a fire, they go hot all over. All right. So the second question is all about the oil draining system. So what happens is you have the grill plate finished with a trough. The trough collects all the excess juices and oil. That's where it leaks into. It will be collected by this drain, and it all flows into the drawer. The drawer you can take out, of course. It has 1 liter capacity, so you don't need to empty it that often. Just remember the grill is hot, so most of the stuff evaporates anyway. But it's stainless steel as well, so you can pop it into the dishwasher, give it a run or two, and it will be properly sanitized. Also, a very frequently asked question is about the temperature. So the temperature range on this particular device is from 50 to 300 degrees, whereas the knobs, the temperature regulation, doubles as a on and off switch. So once this device is connected to electricity, if it's turned down to 0, it doesn't work. If you turn it up, it automatically turns on the heating element. Talking about the heating element, I've had many questions about the indicators up front. So let me just go over the indicators quickly. You have 3 indicators, the red, green and orange. The orange, of course, is for heating, so it means it will show you that the heating element is actually working. So if you drop something on the grill and you lower the temperature, the heating element will, well, the thermostat, the temperature regulation will turn the heating element back on in order to maintain the required temperature. The green indicator will light up as soon as you plug it in. That's the power indicator. It indicates that you have electricity. The reset button, however, hopefully you won't see this light flashing all too often, because this is just the indicator that the device was just about to overheat, and in order to save it from permanent damage, the safety tripped the device and basically it turned it off. So in order to make it work again, you basically unplug it, turn it down, make sure it cools down, and there's a reset button in the back. It's protected by a cap, so all you have to do is just unscrew it, push the button, plug the device back in again, and basically it will work. So that's about all the information I have to the grill. I hope I explained the subject. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.